Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we are going to compare the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 versus the M3S Smart Bracelet. We did some videos with both of these devices in the past, but now it's time to compare these two between them. In the left, as we can see, we have the Mi Band 4, which it has a 0.95 inch AMOLED display, 135 mAh battery, which will last in about 20 days. It's water resistant up to 50 meters, and it has plenty of options, and for example some activity tracker, health monitoring, and all this kind of stuff for sport and daily use. In the right we have the M3S Smart Bracelet. If you don't know, it has a 0.95 inch screen. It's not actually a touch screen, but it has a colorful screen, so that's not like a big deal to some people. It has a built-in 90 mAh battery. It will charge in about 1.5 hours, and you can use it for 10 days. In standby mode it will last 20 days. It has a Bluetooth push support for calls, SMS, Messenger, app news, reminder, etc. And it has some options as the other devices, smartwatches. For example, blood pressure, blood oxygen, pedometer, and other options for fitness. Let's go ahead to the Mi Band 4 first. As you can see in the first page, we have the time, date, steps, Bluetooth sign, and percentage of battery. We have status, heart rate, workout, weather, notifications, and more. If we go to the workout, we have outdoor run, treadmill, cycling, walking, exercise, and pool swimming. In more, we have do not disturb, alarm, music, stopwatch, timer, find device, silent, band display, and settings. As you can see, the Mi Band 4 has quite a few options. So let's go ahead now to the M3S. As you can see, it has a little brightness, but that's not a big deal. The camera, it has a little trouble to pick all the colors, but maybe we can do it. As you can see, we have the percentage of battery, Bluetooth, the weather, time, and date. Next we have steps, distance, burn calories, health, sleep, sport, news, and more. Let's go here to health. We have heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen. If we go to sports, we have walk, run, cycling, basketball, swim, table tennis, badminton, climb, and soccer. In more, we have about, QR code, reset, and power off. As we can see, the M3S has quite a few options as well. So it's not a big problem to keep up with the Mi Band 4. The only downside is it's not a touchscreen. If it was a touchscreen same as the Mi Band 4, that would be a real competition. But as you can see, they both look similar. The M3S is just a little bit larger, and they are pretty much the same weight, so they both are really good smartwatches. Now let's go ahead and test the heart rate, blood pressure, and some of the fitness options, and let's see the comparison there. Let's go ahead to the heart rate straight without losing any time, and let's wait for the result. As you can see, 79 is the first result, and now we are waiting for that little vibration. As you guys know, if you have watched, and here's the vibration, 73. As I was saying, if you watched our previous videos, you know that little vibration, for what reason it's supposed to vibrate. Let's go to the workout. Let's test the first one. You can see the countdown with 3 vibrations and a big vibration to tell you that now the outdoor running mode has started. We have the time, distance, pace, heart rate, and the zone. In the top we have the real time, and we have the Bluetooth logo. So as you can see, the Mi Band 4 is working really good. Let's go to the M3S and test it. Here we have now the M3S. Let's go to the health. Let's test first the heart rate. As you can see, the M3S has 3 different type of options for health, and the Mi Band 4 doesn't have 3 options. The test is going very good. As you can see, it's working real good. And one thing that I'm now realizing is that the screen, it's not shutting as it does in some of the smartwatches that we reviewed, and this is a very good thing to have in your watch. You don't have to keep pressing the button as you have to do in some smartwatches. Let's go to the blood pressure now, and let's wait for the result here as well. As you can see, the result with a vibration. I don't know if you can hear it, but that was really good vibration. And you guys know that I like vibration in my smartwatch. Now it's time for the blood oxygen. Let's do the test here. The blood oxygen is taking a bit longer. And here we have 98% with that vibration. Now let's go to the sports and let's test, for example, the walking. As you can see, it just started. The sport mode is very simple here. You just have the timer and the burned calories. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the M3S. So now it's time to test the apps that they use, and let's see the options that they gives us in the app. And now here we have both of the apps that they use. We have Mi Fit for the Mi Band 4, and we have Fondue app for the M3S. So let's go first with the Mi Fit. As we know, we have status, walking, running and cycling. As you can see, all the three options here we have with GPS, navigation. We press go and we can see for how long, where, all the details and map we can see here in the app. In the status we have workout, burn calories and how many steps we are near to reach the goal. We have here sleep data, weight and goal tracking. Next we have friends. If you have any friends that use the same app as you can add them here in this page. Next we have profile. Here we can see our profile with our picture. We have device. We press add new device and we can add any device that we want. In more we have set goals, friends, behavior tagging, add account, help, feedback, smart analyze and settings. So this was all three pages for the Mi Fit. Let's go to the Fondue app. And as you can see, we have here the first page for the Fondue. We have steps. As you can see here, we have the date. Here we have the completed goal, calories, activity time and kilometers. We have the watch here in the corner left, and we have the share button in the right corner. As you can see, we have sport. In the sport we have the kilometer, pace. We have the burnt calories or energy and more options for sport. We have as well the sleep. As you can see, all the information for these options are here. We have how many hours of sleep we have in the middle, light sleep, deep sleep and duration in the bottom. We have heart rate, average heart rate, maximum and minimum. The last heart rate will be saved right here. We have blood pressure and blood oxygen. Here we have me. It's called the profile page. We have here the profile. We can customize for our own personal information. We have steps, kilometers, calories, and here as well you can see the best, average and last week. In analyze we have the statistic for steps and sleep. As you can see, all the statistic with every day data will be showing right here. Next we have report. Here you can see the statistic for average report, sleep report, heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure report, so we can see all the data for report right here. In more we have add device in the top, so here we can add a device. We have app notification settings, find device, unit settings, user guide, and about. So as you can see clearly, the Fundu app has more options than the Mi Fit. So now let's go ahead and pair the Mi Band 4 . As you can see here, it's asking us to pair it. So now that it's paired, we can see all the data from our watch in the app, and we can read the notification from our phone to the smartwatch. As you can see, notification from Instagram, and all the details are here, so you can see clearly the notifications from Instagram. Let's go ahead and unpair it, and let's pair with M3S to see the notification there as well. As you can see, a big vibration to tell you that the notification from Instagram just came. As you can see, the Instagram logo. So both of these devices, the notification part works really good. So this was all for Xiaomi Mi Band 4 versus the smart bracelet M3S. Thank you for your time. If you haven't subscribed, consider this video subscribing. Thank you for your support, and we will see you in the next time.